Om Namo Narayana. Sri Varahalakshmi Narasimha Temple, Simhachalam, is a Hindu temple situated on Simhachalam Hill, which is 300 meters above the sea level in Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. It is dedicated to Vishnu, who is worshipped there as Varaha Narasimha. As per the temple's legend, Vishnu manifested in the form of lion's head and human body after saving his devotee Prahalada from a murder attempt by the latter's father Hiranyakasipu. Except on Akshaya Tritiya, the idol of Varaha Narasimha is covered with sandalwood paste throughout the year, which makes it resemble like a linga. Simhachalam is one of the 32 Narasimha temples in Andhra Pradesh, which are important pilgrimage centers. The earliest inscription at the temple belongs to 11th century CE, recording the gift by a private individual in the era of Chola king Kulothunga I. In the later half of the 13th century, the temple complex underwent radical physical changes during the reign of the eastern Ganga king. The temple underwent 40 years of religious inactivity from 1564 to 1604 CE. Simhachalam temple resembles a fortress from outside with 3 outer courtyards and 5 gateways. The architecture is a mixture of styles of Kalinga architecture, Chalukya, Kakatiyas, and Great Cholas. The religious practices and customs of the temple are formulated by the Vaisnavite philosopher Ramanuja. Other than that, the temple also features 250 plus ancient texts that are written in Telugu, Oriya languages and have something different to say about the construction of Simhachalam temple. Hence, it becomes quite difficult to dedicate the name of the single entity to this place. With the square shrine mounted on the top of the tower, the interior and exterior design of the temple adds charms to its excellence. Made up of dark granite, the temple has a veranda that is delicately curved with floral ornamentation. Other than displaying the popular scenes from the Vaisnavite Puranas, the veranda also houses a stone wheel car. In addition, there is a 16-pillared Mukha Mandapam and an excellent Natya Mandapam that is supported by a total of 96 pillars. Located on the north side of the temple, it is said that Natya Mandapa is a place where all the rituals of God's marriages are performed, making it worth visiting place for everyone. Simhachalam is the second largest temple after Tirumala in Andhra Pradesh in terms of income earned. Kalyanotsava and Chandanotsava are the 2 major festivals celebrated in the temple, followed by Narasimha Jayanti, Navotshava, Kamadahana. The festivals celebrated in Simhachalam have an influence of Dravadan Sampradaya. Om Namo Narayana. If you like this video, please click like button. If you would like to share with others, please click share button. If you would like to get more updates about Darshan Chalo channel, please click subscribe button. Thank you.